let's start from the scratch carefully. Let's understand what is Power BI and why we need to get into it. What's the main advantage of Power BI? Is it a reporting environment or is it more than that? Let's understand slowly, step by step. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical touch on the subject for each and every concept in Power BI, right from installation to our project work. Conditions apply. Number one, on-time practice. Number two, response to the questions in the class. I need to respond to your questions. You need to respond to my questions. The bandwidth should match. Need your support. Yes, more I do, more I get. More you do, more you get. Curriculum remains common. Curriculum is same. The takeaways depends on our love and our dedication towards this beautiful reporting as well as analytics technology called Power BI. A cheaper, easier, user-friendly interface from Microsoft. Let's understand Power BI is a suite of business analytic tools. It's a set of tools. There are total 7 tools we need to learn. We need to practice. We need to implement 7 tools. Additionally, we have something called cloud. Additionally, in addition to 7 tools, we have something called cloud to define dashboards. Minor background sound there. I'll mute that mic. We have something called dashboards. Remember, in real world, either we involved in designing the reports or sometimes even our customers, end users may need to cook their own reports, prepare their own reports out of the formatted data we give. That is called self-service BI. Self-service BI means business intelligence. Self-service. Customers can cook their own reports, generate their own reports. So this Power BI has various data source options. The end-to-end plan for any database project on the screen. You may work with multiple data sources like files, apps, websites, etc. From there, we can bring the data into Power BI for reporting activities. We can also bring data from databases or even from data warehouse, historical data store, or OLAP databases, online analytical processing databases. So either OLTP or data warehouse or OLAP or files, non-database sources, one single common friend for reporting Power BI. So in our classes today we are going to install this Power BI tool, and from tomorrow we need to slowly start our practice. So here I said 7 tools are involved in Power BI, right? What are those 7? On my screen now. We are going to work with non-database sources as well as database sources in our classes. Next, we need to work with 6 design tools, and 2 hosting environments, cloud and report server. 6 design tools, but I said 7 tools. Yes, out of 7, 6 are the design tools. 7th is the gateway on my screen now. Here you see 1 to 6 various design tools helping us to design different types of reports to reach or to meet the customer requirements. Number 7 is called gateway for data refresh activities. From there we have cloud and report server. Cloud, remote storage, and report server. Your company's data center can host the report server locally in their network, non-cloud. So Power BI has good amount of options. Either you go cloud, public cloud, or it can be a private space for the organization data center activities. So maybe internal projects, defense agencies, where security is a key role, that plays a key role, we use this report server. Social media activities, we use Power BI report server. With this Power BI report cloud, okay, Power BI service we call cloud for social media. With this small introduction, remember once again 6 design tools, okay, 1 gateway, 1 cloud service, and a report server. Total 9 components is our 1 month Power BI course. So what we are going to do here, in our classes, we are going to work with various data sources. From data sources, we have something called data set. Data set means tables, the query results used in the reports. For example, server, database, they form data source. The query result can form a data set, or individual tables can be data set. From there we have reports. Okay, report 1, report 2, report 3, like this, in this way. A combination of reports form something called dashboard. In Power BI, this is the basic vocabulary. So what is dashboard now? A collection of reports. Let's make it simple and straight. Before I come to the screen, let's assume we all went to a star hotel to celebrate our course. Assume. Okay, this is the star hotel. Really, it works. My example works throughout our course. Veg ingredients like onions, tomato, capsicum, lettuce, etc. etc. And non-veg ingredients, chicken, mutton, eggs, fish, whatever. Common source of ingredients in the star hotel, but different cuisines. Multi cuisine, Mexican, number 2, Italian, number 3, Chinese, number 4, etc. etc. Asian or something else, etc. So different kitchens are specialized to prepare specific aromatic recipes. What we do, those preparations we simply give it to cloud takeaway or report server. Dine in means within your company's network, I said. And there are 4 types of reports. We have interactive reports, mainly for social media activities, website integrations where online interaction is involved. We have paginated reports. What is this? Like a traditional bank statement. Paginated reports are like traditional bank statement. Same way. I repeat, interactive reports. These interactive reports are for social media or any other kind of interactions from the end users. Best example, let me show you a live example here, LinkedIn. I log into my LinkedIn profile to show you certain analytics. That's called interactive report, remember. For example, here it is. Last 1 year, my content performance 651% increase, and you see like this. The analytics are there, right? This is called interactive report. You get the calculations automatically computed in no time. It's called live analytics. Next, the other one we have paginated reports, just like our bank statements, mobile bills. We get the PDF, we print it, or take a scan copy or soft copy and do the needful. We are done. Nothing to interact more. That is called paginated report. Then we need to learn analytical reports, wherein using Excel as a front end, Power BI as a back end, we can generate the reports. Remember, we usually think, okay, Power BI is for reporting, right? But Power BI can store data for Excel report. Okay, that is called analytical reports. Excel front end, Power BI cloud back end. Back end in storage area. Then we have something called desktop RS. Power BI desktop is just like multi-cuisine. It is for interactive reports cloud. For report server interactive reports, we have Power BI desktop RS, report server we call. Now these two cloud symbols are for Power Query and DAX in each of the boxes. Left side Power Query, right side DAX. Power Query and DAX. What's the purpose? Give me 2 to 3 minutes time. We'll understand the purpose of Power Query and DAX. We have again paginated reports for report server, mobile reports for report server. From cloud we see reports, apps, dashboards, etc. So reports are the recipes. Dashboard is a platter. Remember. Now back to the screen. Reports are see data source is the ingredient. From the ingredient we use Power Query to format the data set, clean, slice the data set using Power Query. Then we have the reports, actual recipes. They can be into a single plate called platter, dashboard. From dashboard we are going to parcel app. App is nothing a parcel. As simple as that. Let's understand slowly, practically, step by step. Let's see how to work with multiple data sources. We're starting with installation today. Tomorrow we'll proceed slowly for basic report design and other things one by one until the project work. I'll provide you this complete slides today. Please take print copies of these slides. I need to ensure the things are valuable or class notes and the examples. Need your support. I need to make sure the interested attendees are submitting their work on time. So please help me on in that regard. Max by weekend, please submit all your assignments every day from today. Sorry, from tomorrow. From tomorrow, every class your assignments. By weekend, please submit all your assignments, please. So in our classes, we are going to learn good number of examples. And here is a day-wise plan. Left side yellow box SQL, ignore it for now. We are into Power BI here today and next classes. If someone is new to SQL, they may opt for our SQL plus Power BI combo. You can reach our team for the SQL schedules. We are right now in Power BI from tomorrow. Let's understand how to install Power BI. Let's see. Before we proceed for Power BI installation, let's get into some recap of what is Power BI again from the notes. You'll be receiving these notes. Please take print copies of everyday notes, please. Power BI, a mechanism. First, before we go for Power BI reporting, a mechanism to access and present any data to the end users. Any data means it can be file, database, app, website, anything it can be. What is Power BI? A set of free tools to design the reports with end-to-end implementation, mean right from data extraction to validation, reporting activities, hosting and end user access. Anything, everything related to reports, Power BI can do for us. So what we do at our job desk, we'll be involved in accessing the data, generating the report. First SME, first associate level, initial projects, access data, generate report. As we keep gaining experience, we need to also involve in Power Query, extract data, clean it, dice it, just like kitchen area. We clean the vegetables, slice them, dice them, same thing here. We need to clean and dice the data using Power Query. From there, we go for report activities. Once the reports are ready, either report server or cloud will take care of the end user shipment. Here, Power Query is ETL platform. DAX is data analysis expression language. DAX, mainly for computations and calculations. I'll wait for some time, please. Any questions, let me know. I'll wait. Item 2 and 3. Fine. Let's continue. From here, what are the applicable job roles in Power BI? Data analyst, be a developer, business analyst, data scientist and data engineers. These are the possible job roles for Power BI activities from our classes. Relevant certification numbers are also there in the screen. And this is our lab plan. Today we are going to start with Power BI desktop. It's very flexible and lot of activities we can do over there. Throughout our course, we need to learn other things as well, other important report design activities, report design tools. For now, let's see Power BI Desktop 1. I shall be guiding you for the installations. Let's observe carefully step by step. Remember, Windows 8 or higher OS required and 64-bit RAM, 6 gig RAM, 64-bit processor, device nodes, material, those things I will take care. On time practice, you please take care. From here comes our next important item, installations. So coming to the installations, just wait for a few moments. Coming to the installations, what we do, go to this website link, okay, this one. Go to this website link, download, just wait. Just download the 64-bit edition. I think I downloaded it a few moments back. Yes, here it is. Double click on the desktop. This is the downloaded file, okay? Double click and proceed with the installation. Just download on the website link, copy either 32-bit or 64-bit, anyone. Accept licensing terms, next. Install. What we are doing here, installing one tool called Power BI Desktop. Once it is installed, we are ready for our first example. Before that, come on, let's recap once again what we learned so far. Yes, friends, come on, what we learned so far till now. First, what is reporting? Okay. Then, what is Power BI? Come on, what are the different tools in Power BI? Number one, Power BI Desktop. Okay, the one that we exactly. Then something called Power BI Desktop RS.
Power BI report builder.
Exactly. So we have something called Power BI Report Builder.
Excel.
Excel.
Wait. Apart from Power BI Report Builder, we have something called. Yeah, please check your mic, please. Yeah, Microsoft Report Builder. Okay, this one. Yes. Then Excel Analyzer.
Report publisher.
Yes, Excel Analyzer. Okay, and exactly we have something called Mobile Report Publisher. Okay. Anything else? Please,
Report
anything else?
publisher.
Gateway.
Report
Gateway.
publisher.
Yeah.
Data Gateway. Okay. Data Gateway is for. Come on, what's the purpose of data gateway? Sorry for the typo. Purpose of data gateway, data refresh, isn't it? If any changes occur at the source, those changes should be given to cloud by using gateway. Are we getting it, please? And wait.
Sure.
Fine. Yes. Next. Apart from this, we have techniques involved in Power BI. Techniques involved in Power BI. Number 8, we have the common techniques, Power Query. Number 9, DAX. Data analysis expression language, calculations. Power Query is for ETL. Extract, transform, join, combine, merge, etc. Merge will take care. All functionalities like getting star ratings or any kind of custom message screens like hello Sai, hello SQL, etc. Kind of custom messages we can do using DAX. Okay, remember. Next, come on, what are the hosting solutions?
Power BI report server.
Exactly.
Power BI cloud.
Power BI report service. Also cloud. Okay, next, number 20. Report service. Other one, Power BI report server. Okay. Total, this is 10 and 11.
What is the
Total,
difference between Power BI report builder and Microsoft report builder?
this one, sister, on the screen. Microsoft report builder is for report server reports. Power BI report builder is for cloud reports. Okay, I'll show you. Interactive, one for cloud, one for report server. Same way paginated, one for cloud, one for report server. Are you getting it, please? I'll wait.
Okay, so basically paginated reports are built in Power BI report server. That's what you mean?
Yes, you're right. Exactly. We'll take examples anyway. You're right. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Fine. Next, come on. Please go through this complete list now carefully, please. 7 tools, 2 techniques, 2 hosting solutions. That is Power BI. Please observe carefully. I'll wait. Are we clear now? Please, I'll wait the titles. Are we clear so far? Please, the titles. I'll wait. Please
Yes,
show.
sir.
Please check your mics.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's continue. Now, our requirement. Let's see how to generate the reports. Before that, we install Power BI desktop. Now, how to design basic report in Power BI. Requirement. For example, you are given an Excel file. Requirement is how to bring Excel file data into Power BI reports. Here it is. You would like to read the Excel data country wise sales, country wise sales data. You would like to read and report. How do we do that? Very simple and straight. Firstly, yes, we installed the tool already. Launch Power Space BI. This one. Let's launch the tool. Click blank report. Launch the tool. Click on blank report. Here you see import data from Excel. Okay. See, I'll provide you one Excel file today for practice purpose. Import data from Excel. Yes, so here we go. This one, okay. Data source ready. Select the required data source. Open. What we are doing? We are selecting the required data source. Inside data source, we have multiple sheets. In our example, we have only one sheet. You can have multiple sheets also. Mostly next 2 to 3 examples we'll do. Working with something called joins, expressions, etc. For now, select the required table like this. Select the required sheet, load. Click on load. Once we load, see the data is loaded to Power BI desktop memory, and these are the entities, the fields. Now what we do, click on any one visualization. Okay, click on, for example, tree map or any visualization. Country wise sales. Okay, like this. Country and sales. Now see here, maximize the window like this. I repeat again, observe carefully. Simple process. Firstly, download the desktop. I'll provide you the notes today. Then install. No extra steps. What we do? Launch Power BI. Okay. Launch Power Space BI. Click. Click on Power Space BI. Then what next? Come on, please. Okay, remember what next?
Blank report.
Blank report. Exactly. Then import.
Import that.
Select the Excel file. Open. Select Excel file. Open. Select the sheet. Load. Okay, we are loading to in-memory database. We are loading it into in-memory database like this. Then see sales data ready. We'll take all visualizations. For now, I'll take tree map visual like this. Tree map or any visual. Okay, in this way. Please check your mic, please. Country wise sale like this. Country wise sale in this way. Or click on this small button. Data label on. See, small labels are on. Then you give some data label value. Okay, next. Here, come out. See, what's our requirement? Let's remember, our requirement is to report the Excel data in PDF format, right? PDF reports should be looking like this. Tree map and table. Report should be looking like this. So what we do? Simple. Click anywhere outside the tree map. Select any visual. In our example, it should be table in our requirement. What you want to include? See, in the requirement, table includes country, company, month, sale, 1, 2, like this. Country. Okay, select the country, company, month. It's a common requirement. Say sale 1, 2, 3, like this. How to increase the font size? Let's see. Go to format, grid. Go to format, grid, options, font size. I'll provide you all these notes anyway. Table, options, grid, and set the font size. Okay, like this. We are done. I repeat again. See there carefully. Come on, what we have to do? Tree map. Okay, what next, please? What next? What next we
Select
need to do?
country and sales in tree map.
Yes, we have to resize the things first. Country, company, month, or simply say for now company wise sales. Okay, like this. For tree map, go to format, data labels on. Click anywhere outside. Then table, country. Okay, so here we go. Sale 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, while selecting these values, it may take some time. Select them carefully. Now see, you get the country, company wise, month wise values. Come on, help me now. How to increase the font size? Please, how to increase the
Go
font size?
to, go to formats.
Exactly. Go to format and grid. Grid, grid format options. Okay, give some options like this. Here, grid means both header, footer, and details. Everything gets the same properties. That is called grid. Grid properties mean the header, details, and footer. Everything has uniform color coding. That is called grid. Now that your report is ready, what we do? We need to simply get this report to PDF. Go to file, save it first, sample basic report, click save. Go to file, and here you see save or save as, anything is fine. Export. What you want to export? PDF, right? Click on export PDF. In this, you are done. You'll get one PDF report automatically. So file, export, like this. File got uploaded here. With this information, what we are learning, we are understanding how to generate a basic, very basic Power BI report. With this, we'll stop for now. You'll first complete installation and the basic report design activities. We are meeting tomorrow. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow, usual time. And we need to learn something called grouping, binning, visual interactions, edit interactions, etc. I'll show you once again the demo notes to make it easier. We'll stop for now. First, you please practice all the content carefully. Here it is. This one, installation basic report design we did today. Tomorrow we are going to revise the basic report design. Understand the next concept called visual sync, slicer, etc. Things are very interesting, trust me. Let's go in a slow pace. Kindly make sure you complete all your practice carefully. One email sent for today, please check, I'll wait. One email sent to everyone, please check, I'll wait.